Human beings fundamentally want more happiness. Human beings fundamentally want more comfort. They may define it in many ways, but comfort, more happiness, more anything. We want good things more. Now, how do we have more of all good things? When we can expand our talents, skills, and our better functioning. If you function better, you live a better. And when you live better, you have more. But how to expand or how to improve my skills, how to make my mind, my emotions stable, not get distracted. It's a difficult thing. In fact, if you see, if you have a very healthy body and a highly stable, satisfied, happy emotional balance, and a very razor sharp, focused mind, do you think anything is difficult for you to achieve? But the truth is, it's very difficult to have all these three at one time. Children have good health comparatively, but then their emotions and their mind is not formed properly. Adults have a better matured mind, sharp mind, but then their emotions and their body doesn't cooperate. It's very difficult. Tat Tvam Asi, originally it is a Mahavakyam given to us by our great Upanishad Rishis. It fundamentally means you are that, I am that, I am. You are that. You understand? No, it can be. It's what that? What is that? I am that, I am. I am that, I am. What is that? Infinite potential. Existential intelligence. The intelligence that is the source of all creation. The intelligence that can create any form of intelligence. The intelligence that can create any form of intelligence, which in turn can create any comfort in my life, is that I am that I am. So experiencing. So Tat Tvam Asi, originally it is a spiritual Mahavakya, but then this is named Tat Tvam Asi because this is a beginning to help mankind experience supramentalization and experience that new frontiers of intelligence awakening within them so that they live a comfortable, happy life with always more. You understand what I'm trying to say? More. Because there is no end to this more. There should not be end to this more. Because the day a human being says, I don't want more, he is stopping his evolution. So, Tat Tvam Asi is a fantastic and an honest effort done by the hierarchy, I say, through me, to help you enhance the quality of your life, efficiency of your life, and happiness in your life.